from Annabelle?
Yeah, that's me.
Dad, this is from Annabelle.
To who?
Mom.
Oh.
Whoa! She turned it on. How did you open it?
I just took this thingy off and then it opened.
Boy, this is all
Oh.
wrapped so pretty.
Let me help.
Whoa, I need to go back to English.
There.
Mom, do you know iPod Nano you create when you put the
Music.
iTunes thing on your
Come
computer?
slow.
You can also put our Ice Dance music on it.
Really? Everything. But we got to make sure nobody steals it. Somebody stole
Is
it.
there a way to label them in such a way that...
Yeah, we'll have.
I don't have any music yet. So.
Rebecca's
Saint Elmo, Grandma. Oh, Danny, put it on.
Dad,
Dad, look what I got. Let's open it up and put it on. Saint Elmo, Grandma.
figured out how to use it.
Do we?
Oh.
Send me a wife for Christmas. Let's get this on.
Now you have 2 copies.
Is this? We've had
Mom,
this
you can
before.
buy the songs in the
No, you have Grandma got rid of the reindeer music.
Dr. Elmo. Dr. Elmo.
Can you open that and then put it on the Okay. All right, Annabelle. Why don't you open a present now?
Okay, Mom, can you take the camera?
Grandma got run over
Go
by...
put it on the stereo. I mean, in there, in the other
Okay,
room.
in our-
Do you know how to do it?
I mean, our old...
Okay, people.
Annabelle's gonna open a present. What has she got?
Snuggie for kids. I got a Snuggie.
Are you sure that's what's in there? Maybe there's something else in the box.
Snuggie for kids. Got
Maybe,
it.
something else.
Just scroll it.
Oh my gosh, I got a Snuggie. I'm trying. Can I get?
Okay, I'll get a picture of you.